Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about wall sticker. This sticker I have purchased from Amazon.in 90 rupees, but present time it is costly, I think above 300 rupees. So first open it. Now you can see here two layers of sticker, and this is the main design. Clean your wall with a dry cloth. Now you can see in the sticker there is a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First I will cut all the design according to the numbers and separate all the parts, because if you cut it then it's little bit easy to stick it. And friends, this wall sticker is little bit tricky because there is a lot of stems and leaves, so please take help anyone. While sticking, if any leaf or stem stick wrongly, then easily remove it and stick it again. And friends, please take help anyone. It's very necessary. I'm doing alone, but it's very difficult. My wall sticker has stick and it looks amazing. So go for it. Link is in the description box. If any question, you can ask me in the comment box. And please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Goodbye.